It's Margarita, and we are taking it back to the house of Guerlain with their newest release from the Aqua Allegoria line, Rosa Palissandro. Oh, Guerlain, Guerlain, Guerlain. They have been releasing some nice things. I recently reviewed their new vanilla one, and I'm skeptical about rose. I have not smelled this yet. This is going to be a first impressions on camera. Y'all know I don't like rose fragrances too much, but I do want to give this one a chance because there are a couple of rose fragrances that have surprised me pleasantly. I took the liberty of sparing you the crinkling of the box, so I opened it first, but I have not smelled this yet. So we're gonna see. The first spritz was not the best. The atomizer is pretty good, and it's got a good distribution. Now this, from what I understand, is an eau de parfum. It's a Forte concentration compared to their normal toilette or cologne. So we'll see, because we all know how the original Aqua Allegoria perform. They don't. They're very short-lived. This is nice. It's not too bad. There's something off about it though, and I'm trying to see what it is. It smells a little bit like someone sprayed perfume on a watermelon now and later. Yes, if you know the watermelon now and later candies that we all love, well, most of us love, I love them. Now picture that somehow ending up in a purse and the perfume spilled on it. So needless to say, it smells confusing. It actually, as it's drying down, smells more like a cleaning product that I do not recommend. No bueno. Oh, now it's just going bad. Yeah, no, absolutely not. This gets a thumbs down from me. I am so sorry, Guerlain. I love you. I love your house. I love your elegance. But this fragrance right here, I don't even know if anybody would like this. I don't know who to recommend this for unless you like the cleaning product smell. It's not even a soapy. It smells like mop water, like heavily ammoniated mop water. Yeah, very commercial smelling. Oh, I can't wait to get this off. No, this is just a big no. I am so sorry. I have not disliked a fragrance this much in a very, very, very long time. So we're just going to tuck that back in the box. That's going back to Macys. Oh my goodness. It smells so bad that I can't stop smelling it. It actually has a savoriness to it. Like, now I'm smelling seasoning. This is getting weirder and weirder. I do not have the notes in front of me, and honestly, I don't think I want to know what they are. Or maybe I do, just so I can steer clear of that combination again. If this works for you, let me know in the comments, please. And also let me know what kind of fragrances you typically wear, because my body chemistry is rejecting this. But clearly it works for someone because it's made it past the sniff test department and made it to the mainstream market. But I digress. Fragrance is hit or miss, and it's all subjective. It all depends on your personal body chemistry. So don't just take a person's recommendation for a yay or nay, especially if you have a different body chemistry or even scent preferences than they do. So always take reviews with a grain of salt. That is my best piece of advice when it comes to watching these things. On another note, if you're ready to unleash your inner superstar through your voice, performance, fitness, femininity, or relationships, visit my website, completepackagecoaching.com, and book a session with me now. I can't wait to work with you. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.